in today's news, the South African government recently imposed a ban on the sale, importation and manufacture of foodstuffs containing cannabis and hemp-derived ingredients. Dr. Ivan Meyer, the Western Cape Minister of Agriculture, Economic Development and Tourism, has condemned the move, stating that it threatens economic growth and job creation. According to national government estimates, the cannabis and hemp industries has an estimated potential worth of 28 billion rand and could create up to 25,000 jobs. Meyer urged the government to reverse the ban and support the sector, which could drive sustainable development and improve public health, as outlined in the Western Cape's so-called CAN plan. The South African wine industry expects exceptional quality from the 2025 harvest, with winemakers reporting outstanding fruit expression and freshness. Favourable growing conditions throughout the season have resulted in well-balanced red grape varieties characterised by good acidity, deep colour and tannin development. Early fermentations show intense aromas, indicating wines with great character. Dr. Etienne ter Blanche of Vinpro has highlighted the positive impact of moderate temperatures and sufficient rainfall, while early ripening varieties like Chardonnay and Pinotage are showing improved yields. Goeie en slegte nuus is dat nog reën op pad is, veral vir die westelike dele van die land. Johan van der Berg brei nou hieroor uit.
Ja, as dit eers begin reën, dan lyk dit of dit nie weer gaan ophou omtrent nie. En dit lyk of daar nou nog heelwat reën vir die volgende tyd is. Heelwat beter as wat ons hierdie afgelope tyd gedink het nog gaan voorkom. So dit lyk of die effek van die La Nina wat so kortstondig hier van Desember tot Februarie deurgekom het, tog vir ons so 'n klompie of 'n positiewe effek op reënval het en ook gaan hê. So vir hierdie volgende tyd, hierdie volgende paar weke is daar amper elke dag gereën, maar anderster as vroeër is hierdie meer oor die westelike dele en ook oor die sentrale dele. En dan hier oor die naweek, die stelsel is so sterk wat hier oor die weste kant van die land inkom, dat daar ook redelik swaar reën oor die Wes-Kaap kan voorkom. Die winterreënvalgebied. So dit is nie baie goeie nuus vir die druiweboere nie. Dis nou oestyd en dit lyk asof daar vir 'n hele paar dae wat ons reën en vogtige toestande gaan kry.
Dis dan Johan van der Berg met ons weernuus. The Agbiz IDC Agribusiness Conference Index has risen 11 points to 70 in the first quarter of 2025, reaching its highest level in 14 months. This marks the third consecutive increase driven by factors such as La Nina rains, improved port efficiency and progress in controlling animal diseases. Notable improvements were seen across various sub-indexes, including turnover, net operating income and capital investments. The Export Sentiment Index reached a record high of 100, reflecting strong agricultural export performances. Despite rising debtor provisions for bad debt, the sector remains optimistic about recovery and long-term growth, with collaborative efforts needed for continued success. South Africa is expanding its kiwi fruit production by focusing on yellow and red-fleshed varieties that tend to thrive in the country's warm climate. Over the past 25 years, this shift has helped overcome the challenges of growing traditional green kiwi fruit, which requires colder winters. The Kiwi Connection, a joint venture between Top Fruit and the RSA Group, is key to this growth and supports the development and commercialization of new varieties. South Africa exports 95% of its kiwi fruit, meeting international demand during the Northern Hemisphere's off-season. En Grietjie het onlangs lekker pryse ingepalm toe sy die skaal op 445 kg laat kreën het. Ja, Grietjie is 'n pampoen wat aan Cornelis Bester behoort. Sy het as die wenner uit die stryd getree tydens die afgelope Goliath van Gat Pampoenfees. Die kompetisie word deur die Cullinan Boere-Unie aangebied. Leanne van Sail het in die tweede plek geëindig met haar 360 kg pampoen, terwyl Jackie Small se pampoen van 185 kg derde plek behaal het. Baie geluk aan al die wenners en dit is dan vandag se nuus.